In this session, we're gonna see how to utilize OneDrive for Business, which comes with the Office 365 subscription. So for accessing the OneDrive for Business, you just need to log into portal.office.com and then click on OneDrive. So OneDrive basically comes with mobile. OneDrive has this is a browser app, and then we also have a mobile application from OneDrive, and then desktop application as well. So what is OneDrive basically? So it is very simple to use, and OneDrive basically lets you store all your files and folders in one place. So and then share and collaborate with others and get these files from anywhere and any device. So OneDrive supports approx 270 file types, and then if you can see this, see my screen. This is a navigation pane over here, and then the file list where you can see all the files and folders, and then the toolbar we have on the above. So just to start, let's just see how to utilize OneDrive. First, we're going to see how to upload the documents over here. So for uploading the documents, we have two ways. One with OneDrive Web, we can do it. By just selecting the upload option from here, and then you can upload the files or folders from here directly from your system. So you can see the uploading progress over here, and it's done. Yeah, so it's done, and you can see the files over here now. So similarly, you can also upload the folders, and also you can create a new documents from OneDrive within OneDrive as well. So uploading document is very simple to OneDrive, and so this is the first option, and the second option is through OneDrive local folder directly on your system. So basically, we're gonna synchronize this OneDrive. We're gonna link this OneDrive on your on a local system to utilize it. So basically, no need to come for uploading or editing the documents. No, every time you don't need to come to OneDrive browser. So therefore, there's a sync option available over here, so that we can sync this whole OneDrive documents to our local system. So let's see how it works. So we're going to click on sync on Microsoft OneDrive. So you need to log in to the OneDrive application or desktop application. And this is a default location, or you can also change the location from here. And then the location has been changed now. Next. So the so OneDrive has been synced to the local system now, and let's just check. So you can see the OneDrive folder created over here, and all the documents has been synced to your local system. So just for uploading the files or editing the files, no need to go on the browser. And also, if you're offline, you can edit the document and upload the documents on the OneDrive. And once your system comes online, all the documents will this document, this folder will automatically get synced to OneDrive Cloud. So now let's just see how it works. So I'll just create a file over here and upload it to desktop app, OneDrive desktop app, and let's just see how it gets synced with OneDrive browser. So just quickly create a document. I'll also quickly add something to it. So for uploading the files directly on the desktop app, you just need to drag and drop the file over here, or also you can copy and paste the file over here. So documents test doc test. So this is the file. Now we have uploaded to OneDrive uh, desktop app. Now let's just go to the browser and let's just see whether it has been synced or not. So it generally takes few seconds. So you can see the document test has been created, has got synced over here. So document has been uploaded to cloud as well. And now I'll just go ahead and try to edit the document, and let's just see uh, um, how it gets synced with the browser, OneDrive browser app. So this is a test document, and then I'll add something to it. So I've just edited the document, and let's just see whether it has been synced on the cloud or not. Now just refresh it once. Doc test. So you can see the file got the editing the file I've edited, it got synced with OneDrive browser app as well. So it got synced on the cloud as well. Now so basically it becomes easy to upload the documents or to edit any documents if we sync the our OneDrive for business to our local system. Sorry. So so after that we're gonna just proceed, and let's just check the collaboration option in OneDrive. So basically sorry so basically collaboration, if you wanted to share the files or folders from an like for with anyone, you just need to select the file, and you can see two options over here. One is share and one is copy link. So copy link means it will create a link which you can directly send it with anyone. You can just share the link, and the user can open the document with that particular link. And for sharing, you'll be able to see four options over here. So anyone with the link will have access, means you can share the link with anyone. You can share the file document with anyone with the link, and they'll be able to access the file. And the second option is people in your organization. So basically, if you select this option, then the people within your organization only will be able to access this file. And the third option is people with existing access. So if you have already shared this file to someone, so you can select this option to share the file again after updating, or so it will not change any permission. It will just directly go to the people who already have the access, and to specific people. So you can see the link will only work for people you specify. So you just basically apply this. You need to basically apply from within these options, and then you can share the file accordingly as per the requirements. So specific people means the people or the users you have mentioned, to whom which you're you're sharing the file, they'll only be able to access the files or folders. And so these are the four options which you can use for sharing the files. You can just need to choose the best options you want, and then we can just enter the username, and you can send the file. So the a mail will be sent to that user that the file has been shared, and they can just able to access the file from the email itself. So this is how you can collaborate and share with the files. Now, yeah, so also you can this is the if you can see this option shared. Shared means the files which has been shared with you. uh, in this you are getting two options: shared with me or shared by me. So the files which you have shared will be listed over here, shared by me. As we can see, the doc test which I've just shared with one of the user has been reflecting over here. And if someone shares a file with you, it will the file list will be shown over here in shared with me option. And yeah, so basically it's a very simple app. Needs to store your all your files, and you can share and collaborate with other users from within the OneDrive. Yeah, so of course, yeah, of course, for sharing the files. Uh, for sharing the files also, you just know, no need to come to the browser app every time. We can share the files directly from here as well. So what we need to do is just go to the folder and then click on the document which you want to share and click on share. So you'll be asked, the same options will be asked over here, to whom you want to share this file, anyone or people with existing access, specific people which you'll be mentioning, or people within your organization. So accordingly you can like choose one of the following. And then also we have the settings of allowing editing. So if you select allow editing, the user will be able to edit the document. And if you disable this option, so user will be getting only the view access. And also you can set the expiration date on the document. So after that period of time, so if I select 7th, so and apply it, so after 7, so you can see expires Friday September 7th. So till tomorrow the file will be active, and the user will be able to see the file. But after that, after 7th September, which I the date which I mentioned over here. So after 7th September, it will get expired, and the user will not be able to access the file. So yeah, so this is how OneDrive for Business works. You can store all your files. You can share the files with other users as well, and collaborate on the documents.